Hi guys, you must have known that there is a step count feature in App Vault in every MI phones. And in this video, I will tell you how to stop step count if you have mistakenly set step count in your MI phone. See, the step count is now set and there is no option to stop it. There is only cancel option, but it will not stop the step count and it will reset every day. In this video, I will tell you how to stop step count in any MI phones. So let's begin. So for stopping or disabling step count in any MI phone, what you have to do is click on the recent button and then click on manage apps. You have to wait. You will find an app called App Vault. So you have to now click here and you can see the storage part of App Vault here. And for stopping step count, what you have to do is click on clear data and now you have to click on clear all data and now you have to click on OK. See, all app data including files, settings, accounts, databases and cache will be permanently deleted by clicking here. So the step count will also be stopped and disabled. And now what you have to do is click on the middle button so that you will go to the home screen. And now see, the App Vault is now starting from the factory reset. And see, for using App Vault, you have to click on agree. See, the step count is now stopped, or you can say disabled. By doing this, you can stop or disable step count. And again, you can also use step count by agreeing and setting a goal. And if you want to again customize this App Vault, you have to click on here, the setting type icon. And now you have to click on recommend and see there are so many options. You can disable or add any of this. By clicking on minus, it will be disabled, and by clicking on plus, it will be enabled. See, and you can also disable or enable app suggestions, and you can also disable the news option. See, the news option is now clear. There is no news option, and you can also again enable it by doing the reverse method. See, there is now the news option, and you can see the device I am using is Redmi Note 7 Pro, and it runs on MIUI 12.0.5 stable global version. See, and it had Android 10. So this was about how to stop or disable step count in MI phones. And if you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment on the comment box. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.